guys, so it's 2022 and we are currently in the month of July. Being an entrepreneur is definitely on the rise. I feel like so many people are fed up with working a 9-to-5 and they just want complete control of their 24 hours. They want to become entrepreneurs. They want to build things that they can pass down from generation to generation. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys 3 profitable businesses that you guys can start this year, 2022. So here's today's star comment of the day. If you would like to be awarded star comment of the day, go ahead and comment on this video within the first 60 seconds of me posting it, and you might be selected to be featured in my next video as a star comment. So the first profitable business for 2022 is going to be a content creator for businesses, you guys. Being a content creator for businesses means that you are going to be in charge of creating content for this business. Doesn't matter the type of business. If you're a business and you're not on social media, you are definitely missing out on the potential sales that can be reached from using social media. I completely understand that a lot of people do not know how to create content. They don't know how to edit. They don't know how to film. They don't know how to add text. So that's why they hire people to create content for them. These businesses need content creators. Video content is now king. So if you're not producing video content, if your business is on Instagram and you're not posting reels, your business is not going to grow on Instagram. Being a content creator for other businesses, you are not going to be required to show yourself if you do not want to. You can easily produce content for that business. They can send you their products. You can go meet them, whichever is better for you. It's super easy. You're just going to create a bunch of content with trending sounds for these businesses to help them grow on Instagram or TikTok. It doesn't matter the platform. Video is king. I can guarantee you, if you create a pitch to send to business owners, showing them your previous work that you have done for companies, whether it was free or if it was paid, it doesn't matter. If people like your quality of work, your quality of videos, how you edit, they are going to hire you. You guys, do not sleep on this opportunity. I'm telling you guys, on Instagram and TikTok, video is super important, and these businesses are definitely lacking on producing content in the form of videos. So the second profitable business for 2022 is going to be course creation, you guys. As an entrepreneur, as a person who creates a lot of content, it's hard for me to do everything. So I need people who can actually create these courses for me, who can put together an ebook for me. You're not necessarily doing it for yourself, you're doing it for other people like myself, like other educators, other people who are interested in turning their content into courses. So this is definitely going to be a new market for this, because I feel like there are so many people who are looking to become coaches and actually help people out there, and we don't always have the time to do that. So creating courses for people like us would be amazing. You guys should definitely look into that. It could be very profitable. I feel like course creation might be one of the most profitable things that you can do in 2022, because majority of people who sell courses, they don't do it at a cheap price. You're gonna have to make a decent amount of profit if they're gonna be selling their courses for $1,000. It only makes sense, because if it's not for you, then they're not making these $1,000. They're not getting these $1,000 sales. So you're gonna have to charge for this service accordingly. So the third profitable business to start in 2022 is going to be a social media coach. Not a social media manager, but a social media coach, which is also something that I am currently doing. So a social media coach is going to show people how to grow on Instagram. For instance, I grew an Instagram page from 0 followers to 166,000 followers, I think it's at right now. That page grows so fast, I can't keep track. So this is something that I have proof of. I was able to grow a page so fast, so I'm showing people how to do the same thing. Document your process of growing pages. If you have grown an Instagram page super fast, or if you've been on Instagram and you feel like you know how Instagram works, you know Instagram like the back of your hand, then sell this knowledge. Turn it into a course, turn it into an ebook. help other people grow their platforms as well. And in exchange, you're helping people and you're also getting paid for it. And this does not only apply for Instagram, it could apply for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn. It doesn't matter. People need to learn how to grow on social media because, as you guys know, when you have a business, having your business on social media is very crucial, and a lot of people do not know how to do this. So if you have experience, if you have been successful at this, definitely teach. Become a social media coach. So the fourth profitable business to start in 2022 is going to be a fitness coach. You guys, so many people have been stuck in the house from COVID. People are sick. People are off of work. Everyone's eating, everyone's gaining weight. I gained a few pounds myself, but I also lost pounds. Yay me. Actually, if you have the type of body that someone is looking to achieve, they're gonna wanna know how you did it. So this is where you come in and then you start to make profit off of that. And it's not that you're profiting off of people, you're helping people. You're giving people a service and you're charging for it. If you're fit, create a fitness plan, include it with a meal plan, a grocery shopping list, different type of exercise they need to do. You can also include videos, you can do live videos, you can work out together. You guys, there's literally like unlimited opportunities when it comes to fitness, and also fitness is trending now. So definitely hop on it while it's trending. The fifth and the last profitable business that you should start in 2022 is going to be a coach in general. You guys, we all have something that we are amazing at, something that we excel at, something that we're knowledgeable and successful in, and people want to learn from us. People want to learn from our experiences. You can be a nurse and be successful at that and document it and become a coach at becoming a nurse. You could be a marriage coach. I've seen a lot of those. You can be a coach for stay-at-home moms. You can be a coach for anything, you guys. Whatever you're knowledgeable at, you can teach people. Like I said, people love to learn from those who are experienced. If you have been through something, then chances are you can definitely teach other people, especially if you're mastered at it. So guys, that is gonna be it for today's video of profitable businesses that you guys can start in 2022. You guys hop on them. We're already in July. Time is gonna fly by. You guys hop on these e-commerce businesses. This is all done from home, you guys. You get 100% freedom of your time, you guys. Hop on it. That's gonna be it for today's video. Please make sure you are subscribed and turn on the notification button so you guys will never miss one of my videos. We are uploading videos every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you guys are there. I wanna see you guys in the comments, engaging. I wanna see you guys in there. I'm always in my comments replying back. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Until Thursday, you guys, bye. Peace and much love.